Good morning. This is your AI News Bulletin for March 8, 2026. Headlines. The OpenClaw community held its first superfan meetup in Manhattan, complete with lobster headdresses and optimistic vibes about open-source AI. Grammarly is generating AI expert reviews, inspired by real subject matter experts, including recently deceased professors, without permission. Google released a new command line tool that integrates OpenClaw with Workspace data, making AI assistants more powerful for enterprise users. A new AI wearable jammer called Spectre AI promises to block always listening devices, though experts are skeptical it will work. Amazon's Alexa Plus continues to struggle after a month of testing, raising questions about why the AI upgrade is performing so poorly. OpenAI launched Codex Security in Research Preview, an AI agent that detects, validates, and patches complex security vulnerabilities. Descript is using OpenAI models to enable multilingual video dubbing at scale, optimizing for both meaning and timing. Jack Dorsey explains Block's massive 40% layoffs, saying he's rebuilding the company as an intelligence company powered by AI. Balyasny Asset Management built an AI research engine using GPT 5.4 for large-scale investment analysis. Anthropic partnered with Mozilla to improve Firefox security using AI. OpenAI published the GPT 5.4 Thinking System card, detailing how their latest reasoning model works. And OpenAI outlined 5 AI value models showing how businesses can sequence AI adoption from workforce fluency to full process reinvention. Deep dives. First, the ClawCon Meetup. The Verge reports that OpenClaw superfans gathered in Manhattan for what might be the first community meetup celebrating an open-source AI assistant. Attendees wore lobster headdresses, a playful nod to OpenClaw's logo, and the vibe was decidedly optimistic about democratizing AI. This signals that OpenClaw is building real community momentum beyond just developer adoption. The fact that people are organizing physical meetups around an AI tool is notable because it shows emotional investment, not just utility. Community strength often predicts open-source project longevity. Second, the Grammarly controversy. The company's new AI expert review feature offers writing advice, inspired by subject matter experts, but it turns out they're using real people's identities without permission. This includes professors who have recently died. The Verge coverage highlights a growing ethical problem as companies scrape expertise and identity to train AI personas. It's reminiscent of earlier controversies around AI voice cloning and deepfakes, but this time it's about appropriating professional credibility and expertise. The backlash suggests users aren't comfortable with AI mimicking real experts without consent, especially when those experts can't defend their reputations. Third, Google's OpenClaw integration tool. Ars Technica reports that Google released a command line utility that connects OpenClaw to Workspace data, including Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. This is strategically interesting because Google is essentially enabling a third-party AI assistant to compete with Gemini by giving it access to Google's own data ecosystem. It suggests Google is prioritizing openness and developer choice over lock-in, possibly to avoid antitrust scrutiny or to position Workspace as agnostic infrastructure. For users, it means OpenClaw can now become a much more powerful personal assistant with full context from your work life. This is Scooby, your AI news assistant.